What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video we're talking about silver stacking for beginners. We'll talk about what type of silver to buy, where to purchase, also why you should be buying silver in general. Now, if you're not a beginner, if you've been stacking for quite some time, stick around because I will talk about an awesome discount that you can get on some silver in this video as well. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now let's first talk about why you should be buying silver to begin with. Now when you buy physical silver, what you're actually doing is taking a fiat currency. This is not real money right here. It's just a currency. It's not backed by anything. And you're converting this currency into real money. Silver is wealth. It's been used as money for thousands of years, and it doesn't matter what happens to the stock market. It doesn't matter what happens to the dollar. I mean, we could go into hyperinflation, and because you bought silver, you have physical wealth outside of that system, and your wealth will be protected. Now, this video clip is from one of my full stack videos that I filmed about a year ago. I've been buying physical silver for around 4.5 years now. And since this video, I've actually acquired a lot more physical silver, but I just wanted to give you a sample of some of the stuff that I own. My favorite size to purchase when it comes to physical silver is 1 ounce. It's just the best. Whenever you want to sell your silver, you can just sell it off 1 ounce at a time. The other thing you should look for when you're buying silver for stacking or investment purposes is a low premium. You want to pay the lowest price you possibly can. You also want to buy from a reputable bullion dealer. So check this out. I have partnered with Bullion to bring you a special offer on some silver at a discounted price. Now this is only available for a limited time and it's only 1 per household, but you're going to get all 5 of these silver items. You know, this is a great deal for new silver stackers who want to get an assortment, kind of see what they like, decide what they want to stack moving forward. But this is also a good deal for existing stackers because they can pick up some popular items at a discount. Now, I told Bullion that I want this offer to be as cheap as possible so I don't get any kickback whatsoever if you take advantage of it or not. I just want it to be available to you. So there are 5 items in this that I hand-picked. First off, you're going to get a 2022 1 ounce silver Britannia. These are a super beautiful silver coin. I had to include them in the bundle. Next up, you're going to get a 2022 1 ounce Canadian silver maple leaf. These are extremely popular. You know, of all of the items, they probably have the highest premium, but I decided on purpose not to include a silver eagle because I felt like the premiums were way too high on eagles, but I wanted you to have a maple leaf so you could hold one in your hand, see it for yourself. They are super cool. Next up, I have a 2022 1 ounce Philharmonic. These are a gorgeous coin from Austria, so I wanted you to be able to see one of those as well. And then we got 2 generic silver items, the 1 ounce Buffalo round, which is probably the most popular round in the world, and then you're going to get a 1 ounce Buffalo silver bar as well. These are ridiculously cool, and I need to pick some of these up for myself. Now, if you want to get this bundle, you can just click on Claim My Silver Bundle, and then it's going to automatically add it to your cart, and it's going to give you that discount as well. You know, I shopped around for these items on other bullion dealers' websites, and to get just one of each of them, if they even had them in stock, it was more expensive on the other websites. So this is a really good deal, and if you want to get free shipping, you have to spend over $200. So right now we only have 126 in our cart. So if we click on Bullion up on the top left, we can search for some more silver items. I mean, they got gold, they got platinum, but I'd probably buy some more silver items, you know, throw these in my cart so I can get that free shipping. That's what I would definitely do. So let's see what they have in stock. They got the kookaburras. Those are super popular. They got these dragon silver bars. Okay, I'm going to throw one of those in my cart. I think we need to add like 3 more ounces total to be able to get that free shipping. Let's see what else they got. I think they actually, yeah, they have a discount on this item, the British Royal Arms coin. Let's throw one of those in the cart. And let's keep shopping. I want to get one more silver item, make sure we get that free shipping. They do have the kangaroos from the Perth Mint, so let's add one of those. And let's see if we get the free shipping now. I think we should. Yeah, we're going to get free shipping because the order is over $200. So this is a really great deal. And if you want to take advantage of it, I'll put a link down below in the description of the video. But you could also just go to bullionmax.com and search for Silver Dragon, and you can find the bundle there as well. I want to say a massive thank you to Bullion Max for offering this bundle to all of you at a discount. Now, I don't even have one of those Buffalo silver bars yet, so I'm going to need to take advantage of this deal myself. But to finish out the video here, I want to talk about why I think that silver is going to go much higher in the near future. Here we are looking at the price of silver over the last 30 years. Now, over long periods of time, silver generally goes up in value, and this is because the dollar goes down in value. Silver and the US dollar are inversely correlated. So when the dollar is going up, silver is going down. When the dollar is going down, silver is going up. It's as simple as that. Now, during the Great Recession in 2008, we actually saw the price of silver drop from around $20 an ounce all the way down to $10 an ounce. And then once the Fed was done tightening and things like that, silver was able to explode up from $10 to almost $50 an ounce. That's a 5x gain in just a few years. I think we're going through something similar to that right now. The Fed is in a tightening phase. We are in a recession, and the price of silver generally is going down. So I think it's going to bottom around $15 or $18 an ounce. We could be at around the bottom right now. And then once the Fed is done tightening, I think we're going to see another explosion in silver price, but I think it will be more extreme than the last one. So not only do I think that over a long period of time, silver is just going to go higher and higher, but also I think that we are currently in a super cycle for precious metals. I think that silver and gold are going to go much higher this decade. So if you want to accumulate physical ounces, now is a great time to be buying. Now, if you are a new silver stacker, I would say the best way to acquire physical silver is to dollar cost average. This means you buy a little bit this week, a little bit next week, a little bit the week after that. You don't want to take your entire life savings and put it all into silver at once. For years and years and years, I have been dollar cost averaging. This ensures that I have an average price I paid for my entire stack, and it's the best way that I know to accumulate physical silver. Now, I do want to say thanks again to Bullion Max for putting together this bundle of silver items for you at a discount. I also want to say a massive thanks to all of you so much for watching my video, and I will see you all in the next one. Silver Dragons, out.